Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today in this video I'm going to explain you about is Frankrum scam, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, apart from that, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this particular site, and the site is claiming to offer various fashion boys hat and women's hat at cost effective prices. You can take a look. Guys, they have mentioned the boys hat in the product category list, but they have mentioned the women's sun hat tagline in all of the products. So you can take a look at the product category list as well, and they have provided short description of this product. So this is a negative sign here. Anyhow, let's take a look at the payment information of this site. So coming to the payment info, you can see the mode of payment which is available on the site is only PayPal. And let's talk about the shipping policy of this website. So let's check out the shipping policy. So guys, they have mentioned that usually you will receive your order within 5 to 15 days, and the processing time will be 1 to 7 business days, or the delivery duration will be 5 to 12 business days. So this is the information related to shipping information and delivery confirmation. So guys, you can read the entire info for your knowledge as well. Now guys, let's discuss the legitimacy points, but before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, and let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this particular site is using a valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign in the aspect of legitimacy point, but this is not enough that can define its legitimacy. So talking about the domain information of the site, the domain name was registered on 29th of December 2020. So guys, this site is 2 months old and we can't trust on this website on the basis of the domain registration date here. So let's check out the about us information of this particular site. In the about us section, the company usually mentions the entire details including business establishment year, brand connection info, business offering information, but here you can see they have not provided any info related to these factors or related to these details, guys. Now talking about the contact details of this website, you need to visit the contact us page, and here they have provided the email address, contact number and official address as well, but I would like to inform you that the official address which is given or mentioned in the contact us page is not legit, guys. When you will check out this particular address on Google Maps, you will find the address of unknown street. So this is a negative sign. These details seems to be not legit, guys, and the email which is given on this page matches with the domain name, which is a positive sign. Apart from that, you will find a query form. If you will have any query, then you need to put your message in the comment box section and you need to send your message to them as well. Now let's talk about other points including the social media presence of the site. So guys, you can see they have mentioned Facebook, Instagram and YouTube social media icons, but these social media icons are not active and misleading. Yes guys, the site has no social media presence at all, because when you will click these options or social media accounts, then you will be redirected to the home page of your particular social media account, which is a negative sign again. So these are the loopholes, or you can say drawbacks, that makes a confusion regarding the legitimacy of the site. And coming to the return policy of this website, let's check out the return policy. So here is the return policy page. So guys, they have mentioned 30 days of return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do not forget to comment about your experience and refund or return of the product, because it will give benefit to other customers. And talking about Frankrum reviews, so yes, no reviews are available about the site on the internet nor on the social media platforms, as the site has no social media presence, and we are not able to find customer reviews on the official website as well. So this is a negative sign, guys. And apart from that, we have found that the trust index score of the site is 1% only, which is really very bad, and this defines that this site is not much popular online. Apart from that, this site comes with unknown trustworthiness score, or you can say low trustworthiness score. The 1% trust index score again creates a confusion regarding the legitimacy of this particular site. And apart from that, guys, this particular site is not optimized for various search engines, which is one of the biggest drawbacks of this site that makes the site quite suspicious. Apart from that, the content is limited and no one can analyze the content of the site, which is again a characteristic of a scam website. So guys, they have not mentioned the honors detail as well, which is a negative sign. So there are so many loopholes, including the new domain age, new registration age, and short expectancy domain, poor website content, and zero security measures, zero social media presence, absence of company's information, suspicious contact details, low trustworthiness score, led to believers that it is highly a suspicious website and possibly a scam. Guys, for money related problem, you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video because we read all your comments over every video. Guys, stay away from such type of scam websites, and guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.